Okay. Good morning to everybody. Hello and welcome all of you to our website Compassion to Academy. As you know that we have come up with a series of the discussion series of the topics on which we have started having a very comprehensive or thorough discussions in order to give very valuable pieces of informations to learners or those viewers who want to update their knowledge or strengthen their basics in English. So in this regard, today's topic of discussion shall remain focused on yet another branch of our present tense, as we have started the discussions on the tense, different branches of the tenses. So right now, as you know, I am discussing or concentrating my discussions on giving you the holistic information about the present simple tense or simple present tense. The simple present tense is used to talk about the actions which we do daily, regularly, repeatedly, permanently. In another way, when we mean to talk about our routine action, our daily, regular, repeated and permanent action, then we use present simple tense. Very simple thing is there, every day we do our work except our holiday or in a weekend. Else here in our country, Saturday is the day when we are off our duty, but every day we do our job. So when we do our job as a professional or as a job doer or in whichever capacity we are teacher, doctors or any professionals who does his job or her job daily, regularly, repeatedly, so naturally present simple tense is used. The first concept of present simple tense is all about regular, repeated, daily, permanently and our routine action. As about the structure is concerned, so you know it well, in present simple tense, doer or subject is of different types. Subject of third person singular number, as we have to follow the formula of singular subject singular verb, so only with the subject of third person singular number, whether third person singular number is a noun, any proper noun or common noun, or a student, a teacher, a boy or a girl, Ram, Shyam, Mohan, or any third person singular number pronoun, he, she, it, with them we should use singular verb. And you know how a verb is changed from plural into singular. So we change our verb from plural into singular by adding s or es. This is what we have to keep in our mind. So let me write first of all the first concept, then we shall be going ahead with the second concept, and there are as many as 6 concepts which we shall be discussing in this given time slot. simple tense or the present indefinite tense is used to talk about actions which we do daily, regularly, repeatedly, permanently, and in a routine way. Let me give you the example. We are teachers, so naturally we teach students daily. We are doctors. We examine patients regularly. We start our class every day except Saturday. Except the weekly holiday. That is our routine is there. So here, first concept of present continuous, present simple tense or present indefinite tense is all about our actions. Which actions? Daily actions, regular, repeated or permanent actions. Now here, when we second concept is it is used to talk about scientific truth and natural phenomena, incidents example, water freezes at 0 degree temperature, similarly it begins to boil when we heat it. That's a scientific truth is. Then this is example of scientific truth. Scientific truth of universal natural phenomena. The sun rises in the east, the earth moves around the sun, the earth moves on its axis around the sun. They are the example of natural phenomena or universal phenomena. Natural phenomena. Now we are moving on to the second concept. Let me tell you, other than the first concept that we have discussed, present simple tense is also used to talk about our actions, as I have told you. The second concept, it is used to talk about the actions. Basically, when we talk about the second concept, then we must say it is used to talk about all our scientific truth and natural phenomena which in fact happen in and around our life, or which we can see from our own eyes, which we feel, which we taste, which we observe or watch. So this is the second concept is there. Now as about the third concept of present continuous tense is there. So let me tell you, the present continuous tense is used to talk about our scheduled action that happens or takes place in our professional life, in our public life, or all these things happen at a timetable. Suppose the plane flies at 10 o'clock, the bus departs from Janakpur at 6 o'clock, the class starts at 10 o'clock. This is our schedule is there. So whenever or when we mean to talk about our action that we do at a routine time, I mean at a scheduled time, at a fixed time, or when we have a calendar we follow. We start from particular day, from particular time, we start in the morning, we start in the evening, we start in the noon. This is called our scheduled, So whenever we mean to talk about our scheduled action, it is the present simple tense or present indefinite tense that is used. So let me write about the third concept.